Exciting news for OnePlus fans. The OnePlus 12 is on the horizon, and the company has officially revealed some key details at the recent BOE conference event in China. At the BOE conference event, OnePlus made a significant announcement showcasing their latest OLED screen technology set to hit the production line. That's not all they unveiled. OnePlus offered a tantalizing glimpse of the upcoming OnePlus 12 and providing insights into its display and chipset. During the event, several models of the OnePlus 12 were on display. However, OnePlus is keeping some details under wraps, notably the phone's design. The phone was presented with a protective case, concealing its back camera module and design. What we can see is a prominent square camera bump and an alert slider on the right side. The OnePlus 12 appears to feature thin bezels around the display, maintaining the sleek design that OnePlus is known for. The volume and power buttons are positioned on the other side of the device. On the front, OnePlus enthusiasts will be pleased to see a familiar punch-hole display design in line with previous models. While these details provide a tantalizing glimpse of the OnePlus 12, the full design remains a closely guarded secret, leaving fans eager for the official launch event. Stay tuned for more updates on the OnePlus 12 as we eagerly await its official debut. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech news.